Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, November the 19th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 JigSaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Cyberblock, in Japanese Sudoku. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not now but in the evening. Now I will start with these 3 regular puzzles. News of today, well, I've just heard that there's a sabotage with undersea data cables, between Germany and Finland. There's a sabotage, so maybe the Russians has done this. Anyway, let me start with the first one, the 3 stars Sudoku number. This will be number 9615. 9615. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 27. Should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. For a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So the question is this a 3 stars or a 1 star puzzle? We don't know, we'll see. So let's get started. Let me start with a 3 in this column, first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the last row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 7, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, okay. 7, need 8 here, need a 6 there, need a 7 here. Come on. Need a 5 here, 1, need a 3 here, need a 3 there, need a 3 here. In this big square we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 4. We have 3 and a 4 in the third row, no 3 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 3 and 4, 3 and 4. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, 3 and a 4. 5 is missing, 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 3 in the third row, so row 3 in the second row. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. We have a pair, the 3 and the 7 in this column, the 3 and the 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair, 3 and 7, 3 and 7. So 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Let me see. We need a 4 in this big square. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in this column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So the last column, only place level 4 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between only place level 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 in the 6. Missing 2 in the 6. Okay. 6 and 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So last column, the only place level 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the last column for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, no 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Let me mark those. 5, 6 and the 9. Need a 9 here. Need an 8 here. And I need an 8 there. Come on, come on, come on. Need a 7 here. These are 3 missing numbers in this row are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. The only place level 9 should be there. So the 3 and the 5 are left. Okay. Need a 9 here. Need a 7 there. In this big square, we have 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 7. We have 5 and the 7 in the last row, so no 5 and the 7 in these 2 boxes. 5 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9. Okay. That means 2 missing numbers in this row, the last row for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and the 4, we have 4 now in this column. No 4 there, 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and the 5, we have a 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. 1 and the 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then, let me see. We have a 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 7 and a 5, we have a 5 now in the first column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 7 goes there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, first column, no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. Then need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. 1 box left now in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing here. 1 box, no, 2 numbers. Oh, 5 and the 6. We already have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes there. So 1 box left in this third row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 9 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so the fifth column. The only place level 6 should be there. So the 1 and the 9 are left. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 goes there. Alright, 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column, so the fifth column. The only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left now in the first column for number 1. 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 7 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let me mark those. Here also 2 numbers left in this column, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. Then let me see, 3, 7, 2, 8. These are 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8. 3 and a 7. We already have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row above the only place level 3 should be there. So the 1 and 8 are left. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 1 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. The 2 goes there. 2 and a 8. We have 2 and a 7. We have 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And I find the 2 numbers 2 and 8. We have 2 in this one, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. We solve it again, and I like this one. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be at 0 stars, and faster than 13 minutes. So well, please with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.